Most women, without even realizing it, are making daily mistakes in their intimate care routines that don't just affect freshness but can harm the overall health of their reproductive system long term. In today's masterclass, I'm uncovering 7 intimate care mistakes every woman should stop making immediately. And most importantly, I'll show you the right ways to stay clean, balanced, and confidently fresh all day. So grab your writing tools, because this will completely change how you care for yourself from today onward. The female reproductive system is divided into 2 main parts, which are the internal and external organs. Internally, there are the uterus, fallopian tubes, ovaries, cervix, and vaginal canal. Externally is the vulva, which is from the mons pubis to the perineum. I'll insert a picture here so you see what I'm talking about. Your genitalia is a self-cleansing system. It cleanses itself naturally from the inside out. So avoid inserting anything in the name of cleaning into the vaginal canal, because doing so will be stripping away your healthy bacteria that protects you and upsetting your pH balance, increasing your risk of infection. If you haven't watched my previous video where I explained your vaginal microbiome and how it protects you, make sure to check it out after this one so you'd understand better. So the first mistake, overwashing using harsh soaps. Don't get me wrong, it's very good to wash your vulva, that is the outer part, okay, with mild unscented soaps and warm water. But your vaginal canal, which is the internal muscular canal connecting the uterus to the outside world, is self-cleaning. Once this balance is thrown off, you're inviting yeast infection, bacterial vaginosis, irritation, and unpleasant odor. Instead, wash only the vulva using room temperature water and a fragrance-free gentle cleanser, safe and labeled for sensitive skin. Avoid soaps with chemicals like sodium lauryl sulfates, phthalates, and parabens. The second factor, wearing tight or non-breathable underwear. Those lacy and silky panties might look amazing, but wearing them every day traps heat and moisture, creating the perfect playground for yeast and harmful bacteria. How can you fix this? Wear cotton underwear for daily comfort. I can't even say this enough. Cotton underwear is your best friend as a girl. It allows airflow, absorbs moisture, and keeps you dry. Save your fancy panties for short-term wear, not all day, and avoid sleeping overnight with panties. Your body deserves to breathe, so let her breathe, okay? To the third point, ignoring menstrual hygiene. During your period, bacteria multiplies faster when menstrual products aren't changed frequently. For those that use pads and tampons, change every 4 hours. Yes, even on lighter days, change. Once it's 4 hours, take it out. For menstrual cup, empty and rinse every 6 hours maximum. Leaving them longer can lead to foul odor, infections, and in tampon users, a dangerous condition called toxic shock syndrome. Rather, wash your hands always before and after handling menstrual products. Avoid deodorized pads or liners. They only mask odor while upsetting your vaginal pH. The fourth is douching or using vaginal perfumes. Whoever invented vaginal perfumes, I have a question for you. What was the reason? What was the reason? Because truly, applying fragrance down there is very not safe. Also, many women believe douching is the best way to cleanse your vaginal canal, but that's a huge red flag. It beautifully wipes out the protective bacteria, increasing your risk of infection and even cervical cancer over time. The same goes for vaginal sprays, perfumes, and fragrance wipes. They disrupt your microbiome and cause stronger, foul, repulsive odors later with underlying health issues. Instead, if you notice unusual odor or discharge, don't mask it. See your healthcare provider. Odor is your body's signal that something needs attention and fixing, not perfume. So please seek medical help. The fifth on this list is staying too long in damp clothing. Think about sweaty gym leggings or wet swimwear. Keeping them on for hours traps moisture and warmth in that delicate area. It's like rolling out a welcome red carpet for bacteria and yeast to take charge of your system and party. Rather, change out of workout clothes or swimsuits as soon as possible. If you tend to sweat a lot, you can keep an extra pair of cotton underwear in your bag. Your body will thank you later. The sixth on this list is poor cleaning and wiping technique. It might sound basic, but it's one of the biggest hidden causes of infection in females. Wiping from back to front can transfer bacteria like E. coli from the anal region towards the vagina and urethra, leading to urinary tract infections and severe irritations. What can you do? Always wipe from front to back. If possible, use a peri bottle or a gentle rinse with water will do the trick. And if you prefer wipes, ensure they are fragrance-free and safe for sensitive skin. Lastly, to my seventh point, ignoring diet and lifestyle. Freshness doesn't only come from what you do externally, it starts from your insides. Here is how lifestyle affects your intimate health. First off, eating sugar. It feeds yeast, increasing your risk of thrush and other infections. Not drinking enough water makes urine more concentrated, causing a stronger foul odor that's offensive. Third, probiotics from unsweetened pap, unsweetened yogurt, or supplements can support your vaginal health. Adequate hydration would reduce the risk of UTI occurrence. Regular exercise improves blood flow and keeps your reproductive system tissues healthy. Best believe, sisters, what you eat and drink truly shows up in your vaginal health. So let's have a quick recap on the 7 mistakes to avoid. That is overwashing and using harsh soaps. 2. Wearing tight or synthetic underwears. 3. Ignoring menstrual hygiene. 4. Douching and perfumes. 5. Staying too long in damp clothing. 6. Poor wiping techniques. And last but not the least, ignoring diet and hydration. Correcting these will instantly boost your freshness, comfort, and overall feminine health. To my beautiful queens and princesses, my girlies, your intimate health is powerful and intelligent. It's designed to protect you, but you must work with it, not against it. By avoiding these mistakes, you feel fresher, more confident, and healthier from the inside out. I want to hear from you. What other intimate care mistakes you think women make that I didn't mention? Drop them in the comment section below, and so we can help other sisters out. Also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, your female family members, and subscribe for more masterclass on women's health right here on Mira's Health Hub. Until next time, stay confident, stay healthy, and remember, I've got you always. Click the next video to learn more about how to restore your vaginal balance naturally after antibiotics use, and I'll see you there. Bye.